How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. Today I am going to teach you the question answers of Islamiyat from question number 13 till 20. And the question number 13 is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the first prophet? I am repeating again. Is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the first prophet? And the answer is no. He is the last prophet of Allah. No, he is the last prophet of Allah. And the question number 14 is, will there be other prophet after him? Will there be other prophet after him? And the answer is no, there will be other prophet after him. No, there will be other prophet after him. The question number 15 is, what is mosque? What is mosque? And the answer is, a mosque is a place where the Muslims offer prayers. Children, repeat with me. A mosque is a place where the Muslims offer prayers. The question number 16 is, how many times do Muslims offer prayers? How many times do Muslims offer prayers? And the answer is, Muslims pray 5 times a day. Muslims pray 5 times a day. Question number 17 is, name the 5 prayers. Name the 5 prayers. And the answer is Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 18 is, do you go to the mosque? Do you go to mosque? The answer is yes, I go to mosque. Question number 19 is, who calls azan? Who calls azan? And the answer is Muazzin calls azan. Muazzin calls azan. Question number 20 is, what is Quran? What is Quran? And the answer is, the Quran is the words of Allah. The Quran is the words of Allah. Children, your home assignment is learn from question number 13 till 20. I hope children you will learn these questions at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.